Have you ever wondered how loud your surroundings really are? With a sound meter app, your Android phone can estimate noise levels in decibels and help you monitor changes in the environment. In this video, we'll explore some of the best sound meter apps for Android and see what features they offer. Let's get started. Sound Meter App. Sound Meter App is an Android tool designed to measure the approximate sound level of the surrounding environment in decibels, or dB. It uses the smartphone's built-in microphone to detect ambient sound and converts the microphone input into an estimated sound level reading. This makes it useful for quickly checking how quiet or noisy a particular environment is. The application can display the current sound level through a dashboard and graphical interface. It can also show minimum, average, and maximum dB values, allowing users to see not only the current noise level, but also how loud the environment has been during a measurement session. Some versions also allow users to pause measurements and save or review previous readings. This type of sound meter can be useful in everyday situations. For example, users can check noise levels at home, in an office, at school, in a restaurant, or in other environments where they want a quick indication of ambient noise. It can also help users compare the relative loudness of different locations. However, smartphone sound meter apps should generally be treated as reference tools rather than professional measuring instruments. Smartphone microphones are designed primarily for communication and can behave differently from calibrated sound level meters. As a result, readings can vary between devices and may not be accurate enough for legal, industrial, or professional measurements. Sound Meter Android. Sound Meter Android is another category of Android application designed to turn a smartphone into a basic sound level monitoring tool. Its primary purpose is to use the phone's microphone to estimate the intensity of surrounding sound and display the result in decibels. The basic concept is straightforward. Once microphone access is granted, the application continuously analyzes incoming audio and presents the estimated sound level on the screen. Depending on the particular version of the app, users may see a real-time numerical reading, a meter or gauge, and a graph showing changes in sound levels over time. These features can make the application useful for everyday noise monitoring. Users can check the approximate sound level of a room, compare different environments, or observe how much the noise level changes when people are talking, music is playing, or other sounds occur nearby. Some sound meter applications also provide minimum, average, and maximum readings for easier comparison. Calibration is an important consideration with this type of application. Some sound meter apps provide manual or automatic calibration because microphone sensitivity differs between smartphones. Even with calibration, the results should still be considered approximate unless the device and software have been properly validated against a professional reference meter. Sound Meter, SPLV, dB Meter. Sound Meter, SPLV, dB Meter is a dedicated Android application for measuring environmental sound using the smartphone's microphone. SPL stands for sound pressure level, and the app presents the detected sound level in decibels, making the phone function as a basic digital sound meter. One of its useful features is its ability to display the measured sound level in a clear interface while also providing information about changes in noise over time. The application can be used to monitor the current sound level and perform basic noise tests in different environments. The app can also provide useful statistical information, depending on the measurement mode, including minimum, average, and maximum values. This makes it easier to understand the overall noise level rather than relying on a single momentary reading. Graphical information can also help users see whether the environment is becoming louder or quieter. A particularly important point is that the developer itself warns that smartphone measurements may differ from readings obtained with an actual SPL meter. Smartphone microphones are often optimized for human speech rather than precision acoustic measurement, so their frequency response and maximum measurable level can vary from device to device. For that reason, this app is best used for general noise monitoring, experimentation, and relative comparisons. If you need measurements for workplace safety, legal documentation, acoustic engineering, or other professional purposes, a calibrated external sound level meter is a much better choice. Sound Decibel Meter. Sound Decibel Meter by Splend Apps is an Android application designed to measure surrounding sound levels in decibels using the device's built-in microphone. It is intended to provide a straightforward visual representation of how loud the surrounding environment is. The application presents the detected sound level as a dB value and also provides a graph that shows how the readings change over time. This graphical approach can be helpful because users can see fluctuations in the environment instead of looking only at a single number. One of the strengths of this app is its simplicity. Users can open the application, give it microphone access, and start observing the surrounding sound level without needing specialized acoustic equipment. This makes it suitable for quick checks around the home, workplace, classroom, outdoor areas, or other everyday environments. However, the developer clearly points out an important limitation. Smartphone microphones are generally optimized for human speech, and the maximum measurable level is limited by the device hardware. Automatic gain control on some phones can also interfere with measurements, while very loud sounds may not be accurately recognized. This means the app should be viewed as an approximate sound level indicator, rather than a professional instrument. It can be excellent for learning about sound levels and comparing different environments, but it should not replace a properly calibrated meter when accuracy is critical. Decibel X Pro Sound Meter. Decibel X Pro Sound Meter is one of the more advanced sound meter applications in this list. Developed by Skypaw Company Limited, it is designed to turn an Android device into a portable sound level meter and provides considerably more measurement and analysis features than a basic dB meter. One of its major features is its real-time SPL measurement. The app can display current, average, or LEC, and maximum sound levels, while also providing visual graphs for monitoring changes in sound over time. It can also show the sound level in both digital and analog style interfaces, making the measurements easy to understand at a glance. Decibel X also supports frequency weighting options, including A and C weighting as well as ITUR 468. These options are useful because different weighting systems emphasize different parts of the audible frequency range and are commonly used for different types of acoustic measurements. The app also includes wave graphs and real-time level charts for more detailed monitoring. Another useful feature is its ability to keep the device awake during longer measurement sessions. Users can pause or resume measurements and observe how sound levels change over time. The application also provides quick reference information that helps users relate numerical dB readings to familiar real-world sound environments. Despite its advanced features, Decibel X should still be used with an understanding of smartphone microphone limitations. The developer recommends custom calibration when higher precision is required and notes that readings can vary between devices. Those are some of the best sound meter apps for Android. Whether you need a simple noise check or more detailed sound level analysis, these apps can be useful tools for everyday measurements. Just remember that smartphone readings are approximate and shouldn't replace professional equipment when accurate measurements are required. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.